UFC 264 is upon us. Less than 60 hours remain for one of the most anticipated matchups of the year 2021. Poirier and McGregor, two of the best lightweights on this planet right now, will battle it out for a shot at the UFC Gold. But more than a title shot, this is for glory. For Conor, this is more or less his last chance to reach the top of the fight game, and also the allegations Dustin Poirier put against him are certain hard to swallow pills for him, which will motivate Conor to aim between the eyes of Dustin. Sounds saucy, right? Now, Dustin also has to prove that he did the right thing by denying to fight for the lightweight title against Oliveira and going for the trilogy with McGregor. The stakes are high for Poirier as well. So now let's take a deeper look into this fight. Both the fighters will want to control the center of the octagon as soon as possible, because being backed up against the cage will smell trouble for both of them, to be honest. Conor will definitely come back with his light-footed karate stance and try to chop the lead leg of Dustin Poirier, just like he did in the Nate Diaz 2 fight. He will want Dustin to use that jab of his so that McGregor's deadly left hook automatically comes into play. One thing about McGregor is that if he lands his calf kicks right on the money, Dustin will have to face him with that flat-footed boxing stance because of his dead leg, and then Conor's left hand becomes a bomb and he will throw his hooks and his overhand left, causing severe damage. So the key to winning for McGregor is using the same strategy that caused him to lose the second fight. He will have to use the calf kicks and beat Dustin's lead leg. And he also would want to use his side kicks and spinning back kicks to attack his body and drive him towards the cage. Once Dustin is backed up against the cage, Conor's stance will let him easily duck shots and fire his left hand like a bullet. If Dustin clinches, he can use his shoulder strikes, which he has invented in the last two fights. So now let's move on to Dustin. What does he need to do to win this fight? Now, one great thing about Dustin's stance is that it helps him cover distance very swiftly. Dustin, while covering the range, often misses the first shot, giving a false sense of security to his opponent, but immediately backs it up with a shot from the other hand. This second shot lands more often than not, and it is quite powerful because it is easy for Dustin to move forward than it is for his opponent to retreat and prepare for two hooks or two shots in a row. The second shot could also be a calf kick for that matter, because he has to use that one. He could also go for two shots and then fire the calf kick, although throwing three back-to-back shots isn't really advisable, because if Conor checks the leg kick, he could throw his own sweet combos. Now, if Dustin manages to back Conor up against the cage, this is where he unleashes his true power. Just go back and watch the Dan Hooker fight or the Justin Gaethje fight or the Max Holloway fight. Dustin just pours it on when his opponent is backed up and wounded against the cage. He certainly has more power than a regular 155-pounder. Also, Dustin can shoot for the legs and go for his submission attempts that he used to manifest during his featherweight era. We all know that Conor starts breathing heavy by the end of round 2. So if the fight goes beyond round 2, Dustin should definitely use his wrestling and try to submit Conor, because that can likely yield good results against an exhausted McGregor for Dustin. So that is how the fight must go according to my perspective. Let's not make this video very long and end it right here. My prediction for the fight is fairly simple. If the fight ends in 2 rounds, Conor has a 70% chance of knocking Dustin out cold and winning the fight. I'll give Dustin a 30% chance if the fight ends within 2 rounds. However, Dustin has a 90% chance of winning if the fight enters the 3rd, 4th or the 5th rounds. I don't really see Conor winning the fight after round 2, and that is precisely what Dustin would also want. that the fight is as long as
A lot
possible.
of people talk about doing
Also,
certain
the
things,
fight
but will
will
you
not go
deliver
the distance
on those
according to me.
promises you make to the public?
Let's
Tonight
see
you
what
did
unfolds.
exactly that.
Thank you for
Congratulations.
watching, and I'll see you in the next one.